In this video, I will show you how to edit a PDF file in Laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are on my desktop and this is the PDF that I want to edit. So this is just an example PDF. Now to go ahead and do this, what you want to do is open up a web browser of your choice, come across to google.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner and what you want to do is click onto these dots up here where it says Google Apps and then click onto Drive. Then what you want to do is come over to the left hand side, click onto the new button here and then click onto File Upload. What you can then do is locate your PDF file that you want to edit. So mine was on my desktop, so let's scroll down and locate it just here. And once you've found it, click to highlight and then come and click on to open. Now what it's going to do in the bottom right hand corner is upload this to your Google Drive. Once it's uploaded, come to the menu on the left hand side, click onto recent and you should see it shown at the top. What you now want to do is double click to open this up and come up to the top and it's going to say open with Google Docs. So if you give that a click, it's going to open up this PDF file with Google Docs. Once this has loaded up, you'll be able to go ahead and edit by removing, adding text, and of course inserting and removing images if you want to. And once you're happy with everything, come up to the top left hand corner, click onto File, and then what you want to do is come and click onto Download. And on the submenu, select PDF document. What it's going to do is download the revised PDF document to your PC. So you'll now see when I click to open this, that we have this with our edits made, and that is how to edit a PDF file in Laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.